125 is 5 cube. I need to capture this. 121 is 11 square. 11 square. Numbers should be of the form p power a. P should be a prime number. So I captured two numbers, 11 square and 5 cube. Now think logically. What is the highest power of 11 till 120? 11 power 1 is 11. 11 square is 121. That means here 111 will come. Extra one more 11 is present. 5 cube it is 125. What is the highest power of 5 till 120? 5 square it is 25. 5 cube it is 125. That means still here 5 square will come. Extra 5 will come. Direct answer 11 into 5, 55.